is the difference between a living thing and a non-living thing? A living thing is different from a non-living thing because it has a life and can perform the processes needed to survive. Living things are made up one or more cells. They grow and develop, use energy, reproduce, and respond to changes in their surroundings. They also maintain stable internal conditions through homeostasis. So, in contrast, a non living thing does not have life and is not made of living cells. It cannot grow, reproduce, use energy, or respond to its environment on its own. Non living things also need an outside force to move or function. For example, a human is a living thing because they can grow, breathe, and reproduce, while a car is a non living thing because it can only move when someone drives it or when its engine is running. So, that's the difference between a non living thing and a living thing. So, there are 8 characteristics of a living thing. First is they have cell. All living things are made of cells. Cells are the basic building blocks of life. Some organisms have only one cell, while humans and many animals have billions of cells. Second characteristic is if they can reproduce. Living things can produce offspring, and by this, they allow their species to continue from one generation to the next generation. Third is it is based on genetic code. Every living thing has genetic materials called DNA. DNA contains the instructions that determine how an organism grows, develops, and functions as a living organism. Fourth is they grow and develop. A living things increase in size and go through different stages of life. Like for example, a baby grows into an adult, and a seed grows into a tree. Fifth is metabolism. All organisms have metabolism. Metabolism is the process of changing food or nutrients into energy. Living things need this energy to grow, move, repair their bodies, and perform daily activities. Six is they respond to the environment. Living things can sense and react to changes around them. Like, for example, a person pulls their hand away from a hot object, and a plant bends toward the sunlight. So, number seven is homeostasis. Homeostasis is the ability to keep the body's internal environment stable. Like, for example, humans sweat when it is hot to cool the body and shiver when it is cold to stay warm. And lastly, changes over time or evolution. Living things change over many generations. These changes help species to adapt to their environment and improve their chances of survival.